game because I'm literally one-shotting the zombies. And each one dies quickly.
Look, guys.
Cute cat, huh? Wait, turn the volume on.
I know. Look towards that way. Look. Look how cute.
There's only one shot of winning this. Okay, I have to take a break and heal up from that last battle.
Edge, what are you playing now?
Nothing, I'm still playing the same game.
Bro, you've been playing that for the past hour. Can you just play something else different now?
This game's fun.
I want to play Presentation Experience.
You play it.
Bye, guys. We have to end the video. Do not start yapping at the end, please.
Yep.